In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download multiple pictures from Google Drive to your computer in just 5 minutes. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. Once it's open, head to the search bar and type in Google Drive. You should see a list of results pop up. Make sure to click on the first link or the one that has the URL Drive. google.com/drive/quota, as this will take you directly to your Google Drive where all your files are stored. When you arrive at the Google Drive page, you'll be prompted to log in. If you're not automatically logged in, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. This step is crucial because without logging in, you won't be able to access your pictures or any other files you've stored. Once you're logged in, it's time to select the photos you want to download. If you have non-consecutive photos that you wish to download, click on the first photo you're interested in. Then, while holding the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac, click on each additional photo. This will allow you to select multiple pictures that are not next to each other. On the other hand, if you're looking to download a series of photos that are consecutive, the process is slightly different. Begin by clicking on the first photo in the series. Then scroll down to the last photo you want to include in your download. Hold down the Shift key and click the last photo in the sequence. This action will highlight all the photos between the first and the last one in your selection. After you've selected all the photos you need, move your cursor over any of the selected pictures and right-click. A menu will appear, and from this, you should select Download. There's also another way to do this if you prefer using the menu options above. You can click on the three-dot More Actions menu located in the top bar of your Google Drive and select Download from there. Google Drive will now prepare your files for download. It will automatically compress the selected photos into a single .zip file for easier downloading. Once the download is complete, you'll find the .zip file in your computer's default download location. To access your pictures, simply double-click on the downloaded .zip file, which will extract the contents, allowing you to view and use your photos as needed. And there you have it. Downloading multiple pictures from Google Drive is straightforward and efficient with these steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy downloading!